In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in on Google Analytics. If you're brand new, don't worry. I'll walk you through every click so you can reach your dashboard without confusion. All you need is a Google account and a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to analyticsgoogle.com. Using a modern browser helps everything load smoothly. On the landing page, click Start Measuring. If the interface looks slightly different, that's okay. The idea is the same. You're beginning setup and moving into analytics. Next, sign in with your Google account. Use the account you want tied to your business or project. Keep your credentials secure, and if you're already signed in, you'll move forward automatically. After signing in, if you don't have an analytics setup yet, you'll be prompted to set up your first account. In analytics, an account is the top-level container for your properties, so it's common to name it after your business or organization. Enter your account name and click Next. If you already have one, you might go straight to the next configuration or your dashboard. Now create a property. A property represents a specific website or app you want to measure. Enter your property name, choose the correct time zone, and set your currency. These settings affect how your data is processed and displayed, so pick the time zone where your reporting should align and the currency you use for business insights. Double-check the time zone to avoid shifting your daily totals. Click Next. You'll be asked for some business information, like industry category and size. This helps tailor recommendations and benchmarking. Fill that in and click Create. You can adjust these preferences later in the admin area if needed. Review and accept the terms of service. It's a good idea to scan them and ensure the proper region is selected before you agree. Depending on your location, you may also see additional data processing terms. When prompted to choose a platform, select Web. This is the right choice for tracking a website, and it tells analytics to expect browser-based page views. Enter your website URL and a stream name, then click Create Stream. Make sure your URL includes the correct protocol, usually HTTPS, and give your stream a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Analytics will create a data stream for your site and prepare the tools used to collect information. You'll now land in your Google Analytics dashboard, where you can explore reports, real-time activity, and settings. Give it a little time for data to appear as your site begins sending activity, and that's how you log in on Google Analytics. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.